ang tanan nga busog ra.
Busog kayo.
To my son Rex, thank you for everything you've done, from creating the invitation cards and program to taking on the role of MC. Your support and effort means so much to me, and I couldn't have done this without you. I am truly grateful to have you by my side on this special day. I love you, my baby boy.
Baby boy! Big boy.
To my family from Cebu, thank you for making the time and effort to come all the way here to witness and celebrate this beautiful moment with us. Your presence means the world to me. And I am so blessed to share this day with you. Thank you kay ninyo sa akong mother din na naunguan. Manay tingkong. Dayon to Mayor Janice Digamo, I think she's not here. Thank you for officiating our wedding. We truly appreciate your presence on our special day. To Pastor Honyo, thank you for your spiritual guidance, devotions, and prayers. Your blessings mean so much to us. To Mr. and Mrs. Bracamonte, thank you for being witness to our special day. Your presence and support are truly appreciated. To Mr. and Mrs. Munyo, thank you for standing with us as witness and for being part of this meaningful occasion. To Maricar, thank you for helping me in so many ways. From giving me advice, suggestions, and ideas to offering unwavering support since I started planning this wedding. I truly appreciate you, Car. You never left my side. Thank you. To Ma'am Reme from Papco. Where is Ma'am Reme? Thank you so much, Ma'am. Thank you so much for assisting Jake and me with all the wedding documents. Your efforts going back and forth from Dumaguete to Pamplona truly mean a lot to us. Thank you for your labor of love. To Daphne, thank you, Dam, for staying overnight with me and making me feel beautiful. I truly appreciate you for doing my hair and makeup. To our videographer and photographer, where are they? Thank you so much for your patience and dedication in capturing the beautiful moments in our special day. To Mama Lisa, thank you so much for arranging everything, the staff, food, and decorations. Your hard work made this celebration even more special. To the staff of Armenda's Cabin, thank you for your service and support in making this event a success. Thank you for everyone, for my family and friends, to my workmates, thank you. God bless us.
Thank you, Mama. And now, what a beautiful way to end today's celebration. On behalf of Jake and Roji, thank you all for being here and making this day extra special. Let's continue celebrating love, laughter, and happily ever afters. Have a wonderful day, and God bless everyone. But before you actually leave, we'll be giving souvenirs to each and every one of you. So stay with
Thank you.